Hello, everyone! Elevating your home decor is about more than just upgrading your furniture or adding a few trendy pieces. It's about creating a space that reflects your personality, offers comfort, and showcases a refined sense of style. In this guide, we'll explore 20 stylish and modern home decor ideas that will help you elevate your space, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Minimalist design with a personal touch. Minimalism is all about simplicity and function. To elevate your minimalist space, incorporate personal touches like family photos in sleek frames or a single piece of statement art. The key is to keep your decor uncluttered while ensuring each piece has meaning or utility. Statement lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room. Consider swapping out standard light fixtures for something more dramatic. Chandeliers, oversized pendant lights, or contemporary sconces can add a touch of luxury and style to any room. Opt for fixtures that reflect your style, whether it's industrial, mid-century modern, or something entirely unique. Layered textures. Incorporating different textures can add depth and interest to a room. Think about mixing materials like leather, wood, metal, and textiles. For example, pair a plush velvet sofa with a sleek metal coffee table and a textured wool rug. Layering textures is a simple way to make a room feel rich and inviting. Open shelving with curated decor. Open shelving is both functional and decorative. Use it to display a curated selection of items, such as stylish cookbooks, artisan pottery, or your favorite glassware. Keep it minimal and organized to avoid a cluttered look. This approach allows you to showcase your personality through carefully selected items while maintaining a clean and modern aesthetic. Greenery and natural elements. Plants are a must-have modern decor. They not only purify the air, but also bring a sense of calm and nature into your space. Consider large potted plants like a fiddle leaf fig or smaller succulents on shelves. Additionally, incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, or bamboo can enhance the organic feel of your home. Artisanal pieces. Investing in artisanal decor items like handmade ceramics, woven baskets, or unique sculptures can add a bespoke touch to your home. These pieces often have a story and add character to your space, making it feel curated and intentional. Bold accent walls. An accent wall can transform a room and serve as a focal point. Consider using bold wallpaper, a striking paint color, or even textured materials like wood paneling or brick. An accent wall adds depth and drama, instantly elevating the overall design of the room. Sleek, functional furniture. Modern decor is all about sleek lines and functionality. Choose furniture that is both stylish and practical. Pieces like a mid-century modern sofa, a streamlined dining table, or multifunctional storage units can enhance your space without sacrificing comfort or utility. 9. Smart home integration. Integrating smart technology into your home decor is a modern must. From smart lighting systems to voice-controlled assistants, technology can make your home more convenient and efficient. Opt for devices that blend seamlessly with your decor, such as smart speakers with a minimalist design or hidden outlets and charging stations. Mirrors as art. Mirrors can do wonders for a space by reflecting light and making rooms appear larger. Choose mirrors with interesting shapes or artistic frames to serve as statement pieces. A large, round mirror above a console table or a set of geometric mirrors on a gallery wall can add a modern touch to your decor. Custom built-ins. Custom built-ins are an excellent way to add storage and style to your home. Whether it's a bookshelf in the living room or a built-in desk in the home office, these features are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Customization allows you to tailor the design to fit your space perfectly, making it feel more cohesive and elevated. High-quality textiles. Investing in high-quality textiles can make a big difference in the feel of your home. Consider upgrading to luxury bedding, plush area rugs, and thick, soft towels. These items not only look great, but also add comfort and warmth to your space. Architectural details. Adding architectural details like crown molding, wainscoting, or exposed beams can elevate the overall design of your home. These elements add character and depth, giving your space a polished and finished look. Even in modern spaces, a touch of classic architecture can create a stunning contrast. Functional entryway. Your entryway is the first impression guests have of your home, so make it count. Incorporate functional pieces like a stylish bench, a sleek console table, and smart storage solutions for shoes and coats. Add a statement mirror or artwork to create a welcoming and polished entryway. Personalized gallery walls. Gallery walls are a great way to showcase your personality and interests. Whether it's a collection of family photos, travel souvenirs, or art pieces, a well-arranged gallery wall can become a focal point in any room. Play with frame styles and sizes to create a dynamic and visually appealing display. Indoor-outdoor living. Blur the lines between indoor and outdoor spaces by creating a seamless transition. Large sliding doors, indoor plants, and outdoor-inspired furniture can make your home feel more connected to nature. This approach is particularly effective in warmer climates where outdoor living is an extension of the home. Neutral base with pops of color. A neutral base allows for versatility in your decor. Start with neutral tones for your larger pieces like sofas and walls. Then add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, artwork, and decor items. Neutral colors like beige, gray, white, and soft taupe are perfect for these larger elements because they provide a calm and understated backdrop. This simplicity not only makes your space feel more open and cohesive, but also gives you the freedom to experiment with different decor styles over time. Once you have established this neutral foundation, you can introduce pops of color and character through smaller, interchangeable pieces like throw pillows, rugs, artwork, and other decor items. These elements are where you can really showcase your style, whether it's bold and vibrant or soft and subtle. For example, a neutral sofa paired with colorful throw pillows and a statement rug can instantly transform the mood of a room. As trends change or your taste evolves, you can easily refresh the look of your room by swapping out a few accessories. This approach makes it easy to change the look of a room by simply swapping out a few pieces. Unique lighting solutions. Lighting can be both functional and decorative. Explore unique lighting solutions like LED strips under cabinets, pendant lights over a kitchen island, or a statement chandelier in the dining room. The right lighting can set the mood and highlight key areas of your home. Statement rugs. A statement rug can anchor a room and add a layer of texture and color. Choose a rug that complements your decor style. Whether it's a bold geometric pattern, a vintage-inspired Persian rug, or a simple jute rug for a more natural look, the right rug can tie a room together and elevate its overall aesthetic. Personalized spaces. Ultimately, the most stylish and modern homes are those that reflect the people who live in them. Incorporate personal touches like custom-made furniture, DIY decor projects, or items that have sentimental value. These elements make your home unique and give it a sense of warmth and character. Conclusion: elevating your home decor doesn't require a complete overhaul. By incorporating some or all of these stylish and modern decor ideas, you can transform your space into a sophisticated and comfortable retreat. Whether you're drawn to minimalist design, bold statement pieces, or a blend of both, the key is to create a space that feels like home, reflecting your style, personality, and the way you live. Embrace the process of designing your home, and remember that even small changes can have a big impact. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas.